Hello and welcome to my channel, Bearded Vlogger. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing, and then that's going to be followed up by an immediate review after using the product for 2 weeks of a company by the name of Renewed Man. No, I know I didn't fly in like Superman on the couch like I usually do. It is just such a nice day out today. I just finished recording my Barton review after using it for 2 weeks, so I just figured I would do the unboxing for Renewed Man outside as well. So Renewed Man, in the past, they only used all essential oils. Not there's anything wrong with that, but many of us really like our fragrances. So this is from their new fragrance line. And Jared, the owner, sent this to me for a review. Thank you so much, Jared, for doing that. So I'm super excited to open this up with you guys and see what's inside. This is what the box looks like when you open it up. There's a little informational pamphlet there. Let's just quickly show you what the box looks like. There's a Renewed Man grooming sticker, which I always keep these. Well, this is interesting. I don't know if you saw this earlier, so I'm just going to show it again. It looks like it comes in a nice box here for the beard oils. And this is the other side of that box. Okay, so it looks like it has a little flap here, and then that opens up. And then we've got a trio of oils here. Looks like it came with 3 of these pump tops. The first one is this Black Mint Maduro. And we're gonna warm that up and see what that smells like. Oh, this one's very nice. It says it's warm tobacco, black tea, and mint. Not honestly smelling much of the tobacco in this one. It's more that black tea and mint. And I think the warmth is kind of giving me some of that like woodsy vibe, but it's a very, very nice scent. The next one is the Havana Beach. And this one is tobacco, elegant musk, and subtle sea salt. And again, this one's a very nice. I'm getting the tobacco out of this one more for sure. So if you like those tobacco scents, this one is definitely got more of that tobacco in there. And it definitely has a muskiness to it. The final one is the Cigar Wood Oud. I believe this was my favorite scent when he sent me the samplers. This one is tobacco, oud, amber, birch, black pepper, and smoky vanilla. Very, very complex scent. Oh yeah, this one is so complex, guys. It's got everything that I like in it. That tobacco, the oud, the woodsy, the vanilla. Like these are the scents that I really enjoy, and he's encompassed all of those scents into this. Oh, this is definitely my favorite out of all of them, and that is the one that he also sent me the butter in as well. And I'm glad he did, because that's definitely my favorite scent. Here's the butter. We'll get some out. Oh wow, that came out super easy. Let's see how quickly it melts down. So it's got a little bit of grit to it. I do have it kind of in a cold basement, so that's okay. If I had to pick, my number one would be the Cigar Wood Oud, and then the Havana Beach, and then after that the Black Mint Maduro. Now we're gonna get right into the review and pricing. Alright, so now that I've used these products for about 2.5 weeks, let's get straight into the price. I'm actually going to do something new today. We're just going to pop the different things up here: beard oil, beard balm, beard butter, and some bundles. I'm just going to pop up the price there for you guys. If you're interested in the prices, just pause the video. And of course, you can use code Beardy10 to get another 10% off on top of that. Now, of course, today we're talking about the Torcedor, the 3 different tobacco type scents that Renewed Man has come out with. I've been super excited to try this officially. I was part of a small sample group that was initially trying these out, and I was immediately blown away by the scents. My absolute favorite, and what I ended up using for this entire time, is the Cigar Wood Oud. Hold on one second while I kill my dogs. What are you guys doing? Why are you being so loud? Huh? I'm trying to record. I just absolutely love the way this one smells. In beard, I found that the scent lasted about 4 to 5 hours for me. Feel in beard is amazing. A couple reviews for Renewed Man already with just their all essential oils. The feel in beard was amazing. That has not changed with the addition of the fragrance oils in these oils. I found that the butter was a little bit coarse, but as you can see, it does melt down fairly quickly. The feel in beard for the butter was amazing as well. It kept my beard feeling really soft. This is definitely one of my top products. I've said it before, I will say it again. I'm definitely a big Renewed Man fan. Like every scent just has its own unique label, which is really cool. Don't sleep on this one, guys. Check out renewedman.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.